The F8E0 error code on a Whirlpool oven indicates a problem with the oven's cooling fan. Specifically that it is rotating too slowly to effectively cool the oven. This issue can be caused by a faulty Hall sensor or a faulty cooling fan motor. To resolve the problem, it is necessary to replace the Hall sensor and motor, which are sold as a single unit. To do this, start by pulling the oven away from the wall to access the back. Then unplug the oven and shut off the gas supply. Next, remove the grates from the stovetop. Detach the flame distributors and knobs. And remove the screws from the back of the range and each burner. Open the oven door and remove the screws under the top front panel. Then remove the top front panel and the screws securing the control panel. Remove the control panel. Then take out the screws holding the stovetop in place and remove the stovetop to access the fan motor. Remove the screw holding the fan motor to the mounting bracket. Then remove the mounting bracket and disconnect the wire harnesses from the old motor. Connect the wire harnesses to the new motor. Then reassemble the oven in the reverse order that it was disassembled. And finally reconnect the power